1. Check the Windows Update version. Step 1. Left-click Start button. Left-click Settings. Left-click Update and Security. Left-click OS Build Info. To confirm in Windows specifications, version is 1809. 2. Install Language Pack. Step 2. Left-clicking and right bottom of Windows. Left-click Language Preferences. Left-click Add a language. Scroll down and select English, Australia. Left-click Next. Step 3. Check Speech. Check Install Language Pack and set as My Windows Display Language. Step 4. Left-click Install. To confirm Windows Display Language is English, Australia. Click Subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.